Alright guys, so here we got a traditional concrete we're going to be cleaning and sealing. Just the sidewalk and this back patio. We're going to clean it and then I'll put down a real good penetrating sealer on top of it. Should clean up good. I don't see anything too bad. This right here where it's starting to pop and spall is why we seal it. Just really helps protect against these winters, especially if you're throwing salt at it. Other than that, I think it's all pretty simple and cut forward. As far as what I'll be using, I like to use Owen's product. It picked up a good densifier. This stuff right here. Alright, well, we can get set up and start cleaning it. Alright, so we got everything cleaned up really well. Still needs to dry out. We'll let it dry out overnight. Come back and seal in the morning. Run through here with the leaf blower. You can see where it's starting to dry out here. It's going to look really good once we get some good sealer on it. Probably shouldn't get that bad again. Yeah, we'll get some coverage once we get it all fully sealed up. Give us a call. You need any kind of concrete sealing, traditional or stamped concrete. WindyCitySteam.com. Alright guys, so we're at the other one here. Everything's all dried up and ready to be sealed. Everything looks really good. So I got the densifier, the sealer mixed up, put it in a sprayer. We'll spray this one. We'll start at the furthest point and work our way out. That densifier, we really only need to do one good coat of it. It should do the trick. Things should be sealed and beat up really good. Alright guys, we're all done here. That's kind of what you can expect from a traditional concrete sealer. Let it all dry out. Should look really good. See where it started drying a little faster in the areas where the more porous areas. And you never really want to let it pool up. It's alright if it's wetter in other areas than other, but you'll see when I was sealing it that I kind of kept reaching forward and hitting whatever spots were starting to dry faster, just because they were more porous. You never really need to do 2 coats with a quality actual densifier. That's why we spend the money on the product. You guys need some concrete seal? Give us a call. Book us online. WindyCitySteam.com.